FAAS stock analysis and FAAS stock prediction. In this 1-minute video, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to do in trade. I'm the only guy in the space with 40,000 videos made, so I've had proof of everything. I've seen what's making me money and what's not. Especially my previous idea. Well, what happened was the complete opposite thing what I expected. I was like, if I see a double break, I'm willing to sell. As we were approaching the supply zone, I never even got the opportunity to check that, and it just kind of kept melting, you know. And with that in mind, you can see my previous idea here. That was made back when it was sitting at 3 months. Yeah, this is 3 months ago when it was like 54 cents. I mean, since then it just kind of kept doing its thing. We went to like 16, and now it's pumping. When I see a price pumping up as such and the whole shift, I'm looking to double down. Like, I don't know about you specifically, but I'm just going to mark up the top here. In this particular instance, this is my demand zone. The only thing that I expect to do is buy as long as the shift is here. The rules are met, and that means if I see some sort of a double break, then only then I'm buying. Really nothing much more simpler than this. So that's my confirmation point here. All I'm doing in the meantime is I'm waiting. And if you do want to learn how I'm making 5 to 10K per month trading, click the first link in the description and get my free email.